The Temple of Heavenly Kings is located on the central axis behind the mountain gate, and is named after the 4 heavenly kings symbolizing wind, regulation, rain, and smoothness. It is the second building in the permanent residence of Shaolin Temple. It was the gate of the temple in the 13th year of Yongzheng in the Qing dynasty. It was built in the Yuan dynasty and renovated many times during the Ming and Qing dynasties. Unfortunately, it was burned down by Shi Yusan in 1928, leaving only the platform, temple foundation, pillar foundation, and threshold. The current Temple of Heaven is based on the research data provided by the China Institute of Cultural Relics. It was redesigned by Beijing ancient architecture expert Kong Xiangjin on the basis of the photos of the Temple of Heavenly Kings taken by the Japanese in 1921 and the old style of the original palace contained in the records of Shaolin Temple. Ancient architecture in Henan team construction. Rebuilt from 1982 to 1983. The Palace of Heavenly Kings in 1920. On New Year's Day in 1991. When Abbot Shi Yongxin visited Bodhidharma Temple in Kyoto, Japan. He brought back a full set of 48 precious Shaolin Temple photos. This group of photos was taken in the 9th year of Taisho, Japan, in 1920. 8 years before Shi Sanyu burned Shaolin Temple. The photos basically reflect the full picture of Shaolin Temple decades ago and the landscapes of Chuzi Temple, Fawang Temple, Songyang Temple, etc., providing a reliable design basis for the reconstruction of Shaolin Temple. Between the upper and lower eaves, a plaque with the words Tian Wangdian inscribed by Chu Tunan is hung, and the plaque with Qianlong's imperial pen, the first ancestral court in the world, hangs directly above the hall, which is copied from the Forbidden City by Rubbings. There are 7 rows of door nails on each door, 7 nails in each row. The statue of the 2 generals, Ha, in front of the Palace of Heavenly Kings.